Pinterest is a social media platform where users can share photos of their interests. In this video, I'll show you how to post photos on Pinterest so that you can start sharing your interests with others. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. To get started, first open up any browser that you like and go to pinterest.com. Once you are on the Pinterest site, log into your account. After that, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. As you can see, this is my profile and I have 0 photos on my profile. So if you want to post photos on Pinterest, click on this plus button over here and then, under Create, click on Pin. After that, you can either drag and drop or you can click here to upload your photos. After you select your photo, you can add a title, a little description about what this photo is, and over here you can add a destination link, so you can add a link to your website or blog or something like that. Once you type in those things, simply click on Save. And you can save this to any of your boards. If you don't have any boards yet, click on Create Board. You can type in a name for the board that you are going to add this photo. After you type in the name of the board, click on Create. So right there, the new board is created. And now all you have to do is click on Save. And boom, I have successfully posted that photo to Pinterest. And there you go, it's as easy as that. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.